Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is electromagnetism. If a compass is held near to a wire carrying an electric current, the compass needle will move. That indicates that the wire has a magnetic field around it. This effect is called electromagnetism. Electromagnetism can be investigated using iron filings and plotting compasses. In this diagram you can see that this is a wire carrying an electric current, and this diagram indicates the field pattern that is produced by a wire carrying an electric current, and we can see that the current in the wire produces a circular magnetic field. That is the magnetic field that is produced around a wire carrying an electric current is circular. It consists of concentric circles. Concentric circles mean the circles having the same center. This circle is having this center. The second circle is also having this center. They are concentric circles. The direction of the field is clockwise. We can see that these arrows indicate the direction of the magnetic field, and it is clockwise like this. And the direction of the field is clockwise when we viewed it in the direction of the current, and if the direction of the current is reversed, the magnetic field also reverses. The field is strongest close to the wire, and as it gets weaker as we get further away from the wire. If the size of the current increases, the magnetic field gets stronger. Steel is an alloy. Like steel, other metal alloys that contain a good amount of iron also make a good permanent magnets. Next topic is magnetic fields and coils. One way to make a stronger magnetic field is to wind the wire into a coil. A long, tightly wound coil of wire is called solenoid. Whether this is solenoid, this is a coil of wire that is wound into a coil. And when a current flows in the solenoid, when it is connected to a battery, the magnetic field is produced around the solenoid, and the magnetic field that is produced around the solenoid look like that of a bar magnet. This field can be made stronger by increasing the current and by making more loops of the wire in the same length, and by putting a core of iron or steel inside the coil. Electromagnets have a coil of copper wire wound tightly around the iron core. This is the iron core, and this is the copper wire is tightly wound around this iron core. Using iron in the core makes the magnet 2000 times stronger than the same solenoid with nothing but air in the core. When the current in the coil is switched on, the magnetic field of the solenoid makes the iron magnetized. Another advantage of using iron in the core is that iron loses its magnetism as soon as the current is turned off. It is because iron is a soft magnetic material. Electromagnets are used in many domestic and industrial devices. They are used for lifting, sorting and moving metallic objects, as well as for recording material information. Electromagnets can be used to separate the soft magnetic material like iron and steel from the non-magnetic material like copper and aluminium. They are also uses in many other devices such as loudspeaker, relays, circuit breakers and electric motors. But in this diagram we can see that electromagnet is lifting the scrap iron and steel. Now students, we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. What is electromagnetism? The answer will start from this line. If a compass is held near to a wire carrying an electric current up to this, This effect is called electromagnetism. Question number 2a. Describe the field pattern caused by a current flowing in a wire. The answer will start from this line. The field pattern caused by current flowing in a wire consists of concentric circles around the wire. The direction of the field will be clockwise when viewed in the direction of the current. If the current is reversed, the magnetic field also reverses. Up to this line. Question number 2, part B. Where is the magnetic field stronger? The answer will start from this line. The field is strongest close to the wire and gets much weaker as you move further away. Up to this. Question number 2, part C. What happens to the magnetic field? 1. The size of the current is increased. Its answers will start from this line. If the size of the current is increased, then the magnetic field gets stronger. Up to this. Question number 2, part C. 2. The current is reversed. Its answer is, if the current is reversed, then the magnetic field also reverses. Thank you.